I, Siddharth Kumar, standing in front of you to present my presentation on PCB designing. That was a part of term work that is designed by SPD for our curriculum. I am pursuing diploma from Government Polytechnic Siwan and I am still in a fifth semester from electronics branch. First of all, I like to thank Indu ma'am who guided me while internship for me. And secondly, Chandra sir show me a path to do where I am internship. And thank my parents who uh, show their emotional supports and economical support. And thank you, principal sir, who show their guidance as permitted. Uh, In the content, I will start from the introduction and end from end to the last conclusion. And these are the points which I will discuss. Introduction to PCB. PCB is application for printed circuit board, and it was first invented by Australian engineer Paul Spencer, and he first invented a radio set in 1937, and it was constructed from beginning 1907. And there are three types of PCB mainly used in markets. Uh, that is single-sided PCB, double-sided PCB, and multi-sided PCB. In single-sided PCB, there are three different steps where it will be constructed. First step, a steel screen that is printed with the copper wire. Second is solder mask that is printed overall before the manufacturing. And third is PCB material that is for rigid and steady. In same condition, double-sided PCB, they are both sided it is printed, and in multi-layer PCB, the whole PCB is constructed with their three components. As we talk about the advantage of using PCB, it is reliable and easy to check and repair. It is steady because when we use in just like car, when we use in car, it is moving and might by due to vibration, its solder will disconnect and fall. So it's so short circuit. So it will reduce short circuit and it will save times hour for hard manufacturing. And it is in size compact due to less using of wire, and in case of wire we use copper while printing. Software we use while designing are ORCAD, that is comes from Cadence software that is free for only students, and dynamic software used by Apple. There are different software that we can use, but as per needed, our guide us that ORCAD software is have lots of footprints and library that will help us in future. Basic steps of designing PCB through ORCAD. First of all, we will create when we open ORCAD software, the first interface will be so that a new project, a blank project, or open old project. So first of all, we will create a new project. Then we will select the name the project and carry forward. Then we put symmetric diagram from the different library where we can get from it here, and then we'll place the passive and active components here. On the vertical bar, we can see that all the parts and power equipment is here shown, and these are the steps where we had followed to design a PCB. These are the different tools we had used. These are the routing tools for the connecting the passive components to each other, and these are the tools for disconnecting each other. At last, it comes to the routing after the designing PCB. Routing from there we will choose the width, line, and capacity of the routing through the component. After the completing designing, we gather the file and send it to manufacturing unit. Steps of PCB designing during manufacturing unit. First of all, after the designing, we will review and ask the question what are the requirements and that are fulfilled or not. Then we will move toward the printing the designing PCB. First of all, we will take a copper layer that is full printed with the copper and both sided. Then then we will do etching process and to remove the copper where it is not resistant, because when we place every passive component, it will chances of increasing short circuit. For that we use etching process. Layer alignment helps us to align the layer between the components. And laminating the PCB that helps to reduce the overcome of the short circuit. Then after we come to the drilling holes between them to mount the components in PCB. Then after plating and soldering masking the applications on the PCB, and then after we will finish the PCB and send it to the quality check and it performs better or not. These are the examples we had did while our internship, and these are the basic steps that we had followed. Future scopes of this is in market, in open market, there is a huge demand of these skills to enhance our lifestyle and to modern our life. While doing this course, I had learned that it gives a handsome not it gives a high price of a skill, and it is easy to learn. And while in first class it was a challenging process. Job role after doing this, we will posted as a PCB design engineer, PCB tester, or R&D department of the each and every PCB workshop. These are the graph that increasing show the increasing rate of the PCB in market. Conclusion: as previously I discussed that it is increasing in market, and the rate of the market is high as compared to previously we had used a normal PCB, but we are now using integrated PCB that is full mounted on a device, and as you can see that this monitor is based on a PCB. These are the reference where we have downloaded and get knowledge and for making this presentation. Thank you. Any query?
पूछना है ठीक है और कोई आपको इस चीज के बारे में जो पहले जो किए थे ना, इसी के बारे में कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए, स्लाइड दिखाकर पूछिए, पूछना है।
पूछना है
पूछना है आप लोग का चंदन, पूछना है
पहले आप लोग उसके बाद
ठीक है, पूछिए।
PSpice सॉफ्टवेयर जो आप यूज किए हैं पीसीबी डिजाइनिंग के लिए, वो PSpice से क्यों यूज किए हैं, और सब भी सॉफ्टवेयर था?
Sorry, first of all, I hadn't used PSpice software. I used Cadence software that is a part of OrCAD, and PSpice is a tools where we can get another tools that is symmetric tools. First of all, symmetric tools is used for a symmetric view of the PCB design, and PSpice tools is used for the watching the voltage and current graph of the PCB design. And we through the PSpice tool we can see the 2D and 3D view of the PCB design.
तो भैया
और कुछ पूछना है आप लोग को?
सबको सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है जी?
नहीं मानेगा तू लोग बोलते हैं ना, सुनो ना कुछ सीखो पहले, उसके बाद ताली बजाना।
ताली बजाने की पूरी जिंदगी बचा हुआ है।
सीखो पहले।